If you want to actually learn to code, stay and watch, but if you want the answer without doing any of the hard work so you can actually learn, leave and go watch someone else. I will show you what you should code using comments, but you have to write your own code if you're going to learn anything. First, you want to use a do-while loop to grab the number of cents the user owes. Then, you want to create 4 functions to calculate the number of quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies the user should pay. I'm going to copy and paste since this is faster. Then, you want to pass in the number of cents into each of the functions. Again, I'm going to copy and paste to make this easier. Then you want to add up all the quarters, dimes, and nickels and pennies the user owes to be the final value of what the user owes in coins. Then you can print this value, and that will be the total amount of coins the user owes in. Now, if you follow this, you should be able to get the solution to cash.